Team 2 will work on the style of the language. Now, for example, if there's a person, maybe you have some argument with the person and you will say, hello, don't cross the bridge. If you are living in north and you're traveling to Bangalore, maybe Pondicherry, you will say, I am traveling towards south. I'm heading towards south. If you are traveling from south to Kashmir, maybe to Delhi, you're saying I'm heading towards north. Is it clear to your team?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Like the style of the language, tell me yes and no, team.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to work with me in the vocab. See, we're working for the style of the language. First, we'll work for the, it is not I'm giving the vocab for parler, to speak, manger, to eat. No. Now, team, we're working for the stylistic vocabularies in French. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes,
And
sir.
you have to repeat after me. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Repeat
sir.
after me. Notion. Let me write it down. Let me
Notion.
first. Because this pattern will work the moment you will jump on to a pattern of B1, B2. Obviously, that's how it works. Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, team, repeat after me. La notion.
La notion.
Notion, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre concept. La notion. Repeat after me, my team. La notion
La
Notion.
notion.
is your concept. Le contraire. Repeat after me, team.
Le
Le
contraire.
team, these, see, let me explain to you how why we are doing this. The moment you will jump on the pattern of deaf, the moment you will jump on the pattern of, speak, arguments, conversation, to explain the subject, the theme, in that case, you have to mingle yourself with these type of terminologies. Le contraire. Repeat after me, team.
Le contraire.
Contraire.
Contraire. Contraire, we have contradict. Contradictory, opposite.
Yes.
Le contraire.
Le contraire.
Repeat after me. Le contraire.
Le
Le
contraire.
contraire.
Repeat after me. Indifférent. Indifférent. Repeat after me.
Indifferent.
And
Very important. Indifférent. Now, if we have a ague, repeat
Yes.
after me. Indifférent.
différemment.
Indifferent.
Repeat after me. Because that E, that E we have a symbol. That E
Yes.
we have a symbol. Repeat after me. Indifférent.
Différemment.
Indifferent.
Indifférent. Repeat after me. Indifférent.
Indifferent.
La notion,
La
le
notion.
contraire,
Le
Le
contraire.
contraire.
indifférent, it means indifférent, we have
Indifféremment.
indifferent, indifferently,
Yes.
indifferently, indifférent. अब use करो indifferently. Indifférent, the même son, repeat after me, please.
Indifféremment. Le même
The
son.
même son.
The même son,
The
when
même son.
that if we have a circumflex, you
Yes.
have a hat, if
Yes.
on the top of the E, we have to apply cap. The même son. Repeat after
The
me.
même
The
son.
même son.
même son.
The même son basically we have in the same way. Very important. Actually, you say in English in the same sense, in the same way you say in English. Why use these type of terms in the same sense? Why you say? Why you use this in English? In the same way we can do like that. In the same sense we can do like that. In the same sense, the même son. Même we have even. Même. Même c'est-à-dire quoi? Même
Even.
we have even and same. So team, repeat after me. The même son, la notion, le contraire, indifféremment, the même son. Répétez après moi, s'il
The
vous plaît.
même son.
In the same way. Clear? Is it
Yes.
clear to you? Déroulement. Déroulement. Déroulement is to take place.
Déroulement.
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 Déroulement is my verb to take place. Is it clear to my team?
Yes, sir.
Déroulement. Dérouler. Dérouler is my verb to take. Dérouler is my verb to take.
Dérouler is my
Déroulement
verb
is
to
to take place. Dérouler is to take. Déroulement. Repeat after me. Particularisation. Répétez après moi. Very
Particularisation.
now you're working for a pattern. Particularisation. Répétez après moi.
Particularisation.
Repeat after me, team. Particularisation. Particularisation. Is my
Particularisation.
particular, you know, particular. So particularisation.
Particularisation.
Is it clear to you?
Particularisation.
Yes, sir.
General, we have general, generalisation. Repeat after me, generally.
Generally.
You use in English
Generalization.
particular, generally. You use in English generally. Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Team, that how we're working for the patron.
General.
Gene, we have E. J, E, we have a A sound. N के बाद जो E है, that we have a A sound. Generalisation.
Generalization.
Generalisation.
Generalization.
Generalisation. Explicitation. Repeat after me.
Explicit.
Explicitation.
Explicitation.
Explicitation. Very important. Repeat after me. Generalisation.
Generalization.
Generalization.
It means generalization, generalization. Explicitation, we have explanation. You use an explanation. Now
Yes,
you're
sir.
working for the style of the language. Say what the style. Say what the style, the what's wrong. Say what the style, we have a style. We're working for style of the language. So repeat after me, team. Very important session today. La notion, le contraire, indifféremment. The même son. Particularisation, généralisation, explicitation. Can you repeat, Kamal?
Yes, sir. Les notions, les contraires, indifféremment, de même son,
Indifféremment.
indifféremment, de même son, déroulement, déroulé, particularisation,
Généralisation.
Généralisation.
Répétez après moi. Généralisation.
généralisation, explicitation, style.
Very good. Can you speak up, Jyoti?
Yes, sir. La notion, le contraire, indifféremment, de même son, déroulement, déroulé, particularisation, généralisation, explicitation, style.
Exactement. C'est clair, my team?
Oui.
Arjun, is it clear to you? Abhi, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, team, we are working for connaître. Again, we are jumping for the pattern of verb, which is connaître. Now, team, connaître is my verb to know. Repeat after me.
Connect.
Connaître. Team, very important concept we're working for. Connaître. Team, basically, connaître is my verb to know. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Connaître. That I connais, that I, we have a chapeau like that.
Yes, sir.
Connaître, we have a chapeau like that. Connaître. Is it clear to you? We have chapeau. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Connaître. Repeat after me. Connaître.
Connect.
Bolo Arjun and Abhi, connaître.
Connect.
The moment I will conjugate connaître verb, right? I can say, Abhi, speak up. Je connais.
Je connais.
Tu connais.
Tu connais.
Il, elle connaît.
Il, elle connaît.
Nous connaissons.
Nous connaissons.
Vous connaissez.
Vous connaissez.
And il, elle connaissent. So team, this is my connector conjugation. Repeat after me, Arjun. Connector is my verb to know. Connector is my verb to know. Repeat after me. Connector. Bolo team, connector.
Is my verb
Je
to know.
connais is to I know. Repeat after me. Je connais.
जो connais,
Tu connais.
tu connais,
Elle connaît.
elle connaît,
Nous connaissons.
nous connaissons,
Vous connaissez.
Vous connaissez,
connaissez,
Elle connaissent.
elle
connaît.
connaissent.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
team, we have one thing which is en mesura. Repeat after me.
En mesure.
Very important, team, because we working for the style of the language. En mesura. En, let me write it down. Repeat after me. En
Mesure.
mesura. Repete après moi.
En
En
mesure,
mesure.
En basically, team, we use for one individual. I can say one can do like that, one can measure, one can do like that. En basically used for one. It means one will measure, measure. We have verb mesure. Repeat after me.
Mesure.
mesure,
Whenever we are working for, something in terms of preventive measures. Preventive measures. We use preventive measures in English.
Yes,
Preventive
sir.
measures. That measure we call as mesure. Measure. This type of
Measure.
language will work whenever you are explain the conclusion. Write it down. See, obviously, language, le long français, c'est votre long, c'est votre sens, c'est votre langue, c'est votre son de la langage. This is the sense of the language. Mesure. Répétez après moi. Mesurer,
Mesure.
mesurer,
évaluer, répétez,
évaluer,
évaluer. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Repeat after me. Évaluer.
évaluer.
Now we have. Now अब ये नहीं करना, ये वाला थोड़ा टफ है आपके लिए. Evaluate, इसको हम हटा देंगे. ये थोड़ा टफ हो जाएगा आपके लिए. Okay. Now repeat after me. Measure, evaluate. Can I
Measure, évaluer.
is one and the same thing? Evaluate is to evaluate.
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear, team? So team,
Yes, sir.
repeat after me. Measure,
Measure,
because we are working for synonym also. Measure,
measure,
measure is evaluate. Repeat after me. Evaluate.
évaluer.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Well, for the moyen. Repeat after me. Let me write it down. Fourth, the moyen. Very important. Team, repeat after me. For the moyen.
For the moyen,
Repeat after me. For the moyen. Fourth, basically, we have lack of means. We have lack of means of resources.
Yes.
See, team, obviously, évidemment. Repeat after me. I'm saying, see, obviously, when you work, for the language, you're working for a different pattern. Is it clear to my team?
yes,
Yes.
sir.
Clear? 1 second, my system get hang. 1 second. Now, team, repeat after me. Évidemment. Let me write it.
Évidemment,
Évidemment, basically, we have obviously. Évidemment. Repeat after me, team. Évidemment.
évidemment,
Évidemment.
Obviously. Now, we're working for synonym and the style of the language. Bien sûr. The literally synonym of évidemment is bien sûr, which is of course. Bien sûr. Repeat after me. Bien sûr.
bien sûr,
Sûr.
Bien sûr.
Sans doute. Sans doute is without doubt. Sans is without, doute is doubt. Jyoti,
Sans doute.
if you really want to grab the pattern of B1, if you really,
Yes,
really looking forward to grab this is my pattern. For the moyen, basically, if you're working for, any dis disadvantages,
Yes.
c'est clair, les inconvénients.
Yes.
So you say this lack of means or something. For the moyen, évidemment, obviously, bien sûr, obviously, sans doute,
Sans doute.
Sans doute.
without doubt, of course, tout à fait. Tout à fait is
Tout à
very,
fait.
yes, very important. Tout à fait is absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yes, of course. देखो, see, if you're working for absolutely, obviously, we can say yes, there's similarities between these languages, between these words. So, team, répétez après moi, évidemment, bien sûr, sans doute, tout à fait. C'est clair, Mike?
Évidemment, bien sûr, sans doute.
Évidemment, bien sûr, sans doute, tout à fait.
Now, team, listen to me very carefully. बोलते this is quietly said that. What is quietly? Quite basically, if I see, we are working for the sense of the, Kamal, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
We are working for the sense of the language today. I'm saying it is quietly right that a quiet, if you take a quiet meaning, that is chup, keep quiet. But quietly over here, we have enough. Can I say like that? It is quiet. It is quietly okay. It is see, what is the sense of the language? It is quietly said that it is quietly. Now, quiet basically is not a keep quiet over here. Quiet, we have a sense of language is absolutely. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Which is, we can say rather also. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Repeat after me then. Assez. Repeat after me. Assez.
Assez.
We have enough and quiet. But quiet, it is not in terms of quiet to say keep quiet. That quiet we have the enough. Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, quietly. Tout à fait, sometimes used for quietly, tout à fait, and absolutely. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Tuto, we have rather. Entièrement. Repeat after me, team. Entièrement is entirely. Entièrement, exactement, exactly. So repeat after me. Assez.
Assez.
Tout à fait.
Tout à fait.
Plutôt.
Plutôt.
Entièrement.
Entièrement.
Exactement.
Exactement.
So assez is quietly and quite. Tout à fait is quietly. It means absolutely. Pluto is rather. Entièrement is entirely. And exactement is exactly. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
So repeat after me. Assez.
Assez.
Tout à fait.
Assez.
Tout à fait.
Pluto.
Plutôt.
Entièrement.
Entièrement.
Exactement.
Exactement.
Is it clear to you, my team?
Yes, sir.
Clear हो रहा है team आपको? All of you, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, team, we use for the vocab of realite. Realmo. Realite. Repeat after me that if we have a ague over here. Repeat after me.
Realite.
Realite basically.
Realite.
Realite, realmo, reality. Now, what is the synonym of realite? Actualite. Repeat after me.
Actualite.
Actualite. That's how we work. Because synonyms, say what the synonym, very, very important. Repte après moi, team. Actualite.
Actualité.
Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Repeat after me. Spécialisation. Repeat after me.
Spécialisation.
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 Repeat after me that if we have a sound. Spécialisation. Repeat after me.
Spécialisation.
Spécialisation. Répétez après moi. Spécialisation.
Spécialisation.
It means specialization. Spécialisation. Repeat after me, team.
Spécialisation.
Now, team, walk with me because we are working for a live workshop. Repeat after me. Compétence. Team.
Compétence.
Compétence. Compétence is the difference. Say what's the skills.
Skills.
Just see, if I will ask you, what is your specialization and what is your skills? Can we say that? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's how, in some extent, we're working for the relation of the words. Compétence. Répétez
Compétence.
après moi. Expérience.
Experience.
Experience.
Repeat after me. Expérience.
Experience.
If we have experience, expérience.
Experience.
C'est clair. Spécialisation.
Spécialisation.
Gestion.
Connaissance. Connaissance, we have awareness. Let me write it down for you. Connaissance. Knowledge. Connaissance. Awareness. Knowledge. Connaissance. Repeat after me, my team.
Connaissance.
Let me write it down.
Connaissance.
Connaissance. Now repeat after me. For the moyen. Repeat after me. For the moyen.
For the moyen.
Évidemment.
Évidemment.
So what is the meaning of évidemment? Tell me, what is the meaning of évidemment?
Obviously.
Obviously.
Evidently.
Sûr. Repeat after me. Bien sûr.
Bien
Bien
sûr.
sûr.
Of course.
Of course.
Sans doute. Repeat
Sans
after
Sans
me.
doute.
Doute.
Without doubt, it means obviously. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Tout à fait. Répétez après moi.
Tout à fait.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Compétence.
Compétence.
We have skills. Competence. Is it clear to you, my team?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Team, एक second. I'm just getting a phone call. Please be online with me, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Experience, reality. Reality, we have reality. Reality, we have reality. Is it clear to you? Reality. Reality, we have reality. Actuality.
Actuality.
Actuality, we have reality. Actuality.
Yes, sir.
Spécialisation, specialities.
Spécialisation.
Spécialisation, connaissance.
Spécialisation.
Répétez après moi. See, they're very important. Compétence, we have skills. Repeat after me.
Compétence. Skills.
Experience.
Experience.
Connaissance.
Connaissance.
Assez.
Assez.
Tout à fait.
Tout à fait.
Plutôt.
Plutôt.
Entièrement.
Entièrement.
Exactement.
Exactement.
Experience.
Experience.
Is it clear to my team? Can we repeat, Arjun, all this vocabulary? Arjun there? Okay, Abhi, can you speak up?
Yes, sir. Évidemment, bien sûr, sans doute, tout à fait, assez, entièrement, plutôt, exactement, réalité, actualité, spécialisation, compétence, expérience, connaissance.
Very good. Kamal, can you speak up?
Yes, sir. Évidemment, bien sûr, sans doute, tout à fait, assez, plutôt, entièrement, exactement, réalité, actualité, spécialisation, competence, competence, experience, connaissance.
Okay, great, great, great. Okay, so now repeat after me again. You came to know tuta fe. Tuta fe is, if I will say, okay, Kamal, if I say absolutely, so what you will say?
Tout à
Tuta
fait.
fe.
Tout à fait.
You can say, sans doute. Répétez après moi.
Sans
So
doute.
to
Okay, Abhi will say, tuta fe. Then Kamal will say, sans doute. Jyoti will say, bien sûr,
Bien sûr.
clear. And other will say, évidemment. Say clair. Exactement, exactly. Team, is it clear to you? Tell me yes and
Yes,
no.
sir.
yes,
Yes.
sir.
Clear? Okay. Now, for example, we have worked very important team. We're working for a patron. Moi or moi. Repeat after me.
Moi au moins.
Let me write it down for you. Moi or moi.
Moi au
More
moins.
or more.
Repeat after me. Team, very important patron which you're working for. Moi or moi. Repeat after me.
More or more.
Moi or moi. Repeat after me,
Moi
please.
au
More.
moins.
So basically, moi or moi. I can, moi or moi is lesser and lesser. Repeat after me. Moi or moi.
Moi
Repeat
au
after me.
moins.
More or more.
Repeat after me. Moi or moi.
Moi au moins.
हम बोलते हैं slowly and slowly, right? Moi or moi. Repeat after me.
More
Moi au
or
moins.
more.
The plus en plus. Répétez après moi. The plus en plus. The
The
plus
plus
en
en
plus is
plus.
the more and more. Repeat after me. The plus en plus.
De plus en plus.
plus.
Repeat after me, team.
De
Team, are
plus
you?
en
See,
plus.
I hope you understand the pattern today. Kamal,
Yes, sir.
टफ तो नहीं लग रहा आपको?
नहीं, sir.
क्योंकि see, you know what? This is the sense of the language we are working for. If we not see, for example, will not do these type of patterns, it will be hard to understand and to speak the language. Now you came to know at least I said, at least there is moi or moi, at least moi,
Moi
at least.
au moins.
Is it clear to my team?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
The lesser and lesser, because we're working for the sense of the language, at least. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Or more, we have at least. Is it clear to you, my team?
Yes, sir.
Au moins.
Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Repeat after me. Complètement. Répétez après moi.
Complètement.
Complètement. Répétez après moi.
Complètement.
It means completely. Complètement.
Complètement.
Pleinement. Pleinement, we have fully, completely. Tout à fait. Absolutely. Très bien. Répétez après moi, team. Pleinement. Because
Pleinement.
the more you have the French words, the more you have the French vocabularies, the more you will get a stronghold in the language. Is it clear to my team?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So répétez après moi. Pleinement. Répétez
Pleinement.
fully.
Fully.
Complètement. Completely.
Complètement. Completely.
Tout à fait. Tout à fait is absolutely. Très bien. Répétez après moi. Très bien.
Très
Très
bien.
bien.
Very well. À plein. À plein, basically, we have fully, full. Au moins, we have at least. Now you can speak out the language. Pleinement. Répétez après moi. Pleinement.
Pleinement.
Pleinement, we have completely, fully. Pleinement. Complètement. Répétez après moi. Complètement.
Complètement.
Tout à fait. Répétez après moi.
Tout à fait.
Bien. Très bien.
Très bien.
À plein.
À
À
plein.
plein.
They are full au moins. Can you explain, Kamal, all these things?
Yes.
Mhm,
Pleinement fully.
mhm,
Complètement completely.
mhm.
आप लें नहीं सर, मुझे समझ आया क्या है.
Sorry, à plein is full, fully.
Apply is full. Tout à fait, absolutely. Très bien, very good. Or à moi at least.
Au moins, at least. Is it clear to my team?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
speak up, Abhi?
Yes, sir. Pleinement fully, complètement completely, très bien, very good, à plein, full, au moins at least.
Very good. Very good. So can you speak up, Jyoti?
Yes, sir. Pleinement, fully, complètement, completely, très bien, very good, tout à fait, absolutely, à plein, full, au moins, at least.
Very good. So did you acha, count the vocabularies, please? How many vocab we have done today? Count the vocab, please. Count the vocab. Like how many vocab we have done today?
36.
Okay. Now repeat after me. Attention. Rip पे आपने हुआ. अच्छा एक चीज बताओ. Tell me one thing. On a daily basis, it will work for a very beautiful grammar, very beautiful, vocabulary, synonyms, sense of the language, and we'll do almost 70, 80 things, 80 words on daily basis. Do you think it will help you to increase the language?
Yes, sir.
So, then, attention.
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 Attention, basically, we have attention, warning. Attention.
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 Répétez après moi. Attention. Répétez.
Attention.
Attention.
Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? Acha. Now, basically, répétez faire attention.
Attention.
If I will add on faire with attention, répétez après moi, team. Faire
Attention.
attention. Répétez après moi. To
Attention.
pay
Faire.
attention.
Pay attention.
Team, répétez après moi. Faire attention, to pay attention. Now we have
Faire.
worked to pay attention. First, to pay attention. Faire attention. Faire attention. Répétez après moi, team. Attirer l'attention. To attirer l'attention, we have to draw the attention. Now, if I ask you, attirer basically is my verb to attract. Team, very important pattern today, which we are working for. Attirer is my verb to attract, and faire is my verb to do and to make. Faire, have you done faire verb is to do and to
Yes,
make?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Abhi, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Faire is my verb to do and to make. Attirer is my verb to attract.
Attract.
But if I will say faire attention, to pay attention, this is how we're working for the pattern. Now in English also, to pay attention. Pay, it means I'm paying money. Tell me yes or no.
No, sir.
Then it is sense of the language. Tell me yes or no, team.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The same we have in French also. But yes, in French, see, I am explaining you the French language from the core. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So that how we can pick the pattern. Attirer is about to attract. It is draw attention, please. So attirer l'attention. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
All of you, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Team, can I give you some different vocabulary which may be quite, it looks something tough, but it will help you out. Do you want that I can give it to you? You want this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have grab. We have a lot of synonym for grab, but that belongs to your B2 pattern. Repeat after me, saisir. Repeat after me, saisir. Because gradually I'm picking your branch of A1, A2, B1, B2. Is it clear to my team?
Yes, sir.
Saisir is my verb to grab. Repeat after me, saisir. Repeat after me,
Saisir.
agripper. Agripper is my verb to again grab. Agripper.
Repay.
Empoigner. Empoigner is also to grab. Jyoti.
Yes,
If you really
sir.
want to score good, these are the vocabulary which you can add on. Saisir, agripper, empoigner, rafler. Répétez après moi. Rafler is my verb to grab. Mettre la main. Mettre is my verb to put. Répétez après moi. Mettre is my verb to put. La main. Main is your hand. To put in your hand, it means grab, to hold. Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
मैं basically la मैं is basically your hand. M-A-I-N मैं. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Mettre la main is basically the verb for to get a hold of, to get something hold in your hand. It means to grab. Repeat after me. Saisir, agripper, empoigner, rafler, mettre la main. Répétez après moi s'il vous plaît.
Saisir,
Saisir, agripper,
Saisir,
empoigner,
agripper,
rafler,
empoigner,
mettre
rafler,
la
mettre
mettre
la
main.
main.
Répétez après moi. Saisir, agripper,
saisir,
empoigner,
Agripper,
rafler, mettre la main. Now,
mettre
team,
la main sur.
if you will say to grab the language, to grab something, saisir, agripper, agripper, empoigner, repeat after me, empoigner, rafler,
empoigner,
mettre la main.
Mettre
Because
la
you know
main
what,
sur.
if you really want to touch the sky in French, you have, obviously the moment you will go with the reading pattern, maybe in your reading comprehension, you'll get a vocab of empoigner. So now you will understand that reading is something like grab, rafler, something like grab, because we are working for the reading pattern also, because Jyoti, the moment you will jump on B1, B2, you will have a beautiful comprehension passages which you have to understand, the reading comprehensions. Kamal, is it clear to you? Abhi,
Yes.
yes sir,
now it is very good thing that you are observing this thing in this module. Otherwise, you would have done this thing in your after B2. No, no. See, it is really important for learning a language. I have to learn only A1 things. No, I can grab the things gradually. Is it clear to your team?
yes sir.
So repeat after me. Says, repeat after me.
Saisir,
Agripper,
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 empoigner.
empoigner,
empoigner,
So saisir is my verb to hold. Repeat after me. Saisir,
Saisir is
Saisir,
one verb to hold.
agripper,
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 empoigner,
empoigner,
rafler,
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 mettre la main.
mettre la
mettre
mettre
main.
la
la
main.
main.
Is it clear to you, my team? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir,
I hope team ये vocab आपको हैवी ना हो. इन vocab का पहले आप practice करो, because I don't want that you to cross the lot of words, but it should be fixed in your mind, because you have to practice for this also, right? So
Yes, sir.
repeat after me again. Saisir,
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 agripper,
agripper,
empoigner,
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 rafler,
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 mettre la main.
mettre la
mettre
main.
la main.
Is it clear to your team? Tell me yes or no.
yes
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I ask you, Kamal, hold, mettre la main,
Mettre la main.
empoigner,
Empoigner,
To grab.
rafler,
rafler,
agripper.
agripper.
Is it clear to you? Saisir.
Yes. Saisir.
Is it clear to you? Clear
Yes,
for that?
sir.
yes sir,
So that how the pattern work for your language. Clear? So first,
Yes.
I don't want we do a lot of things, and which maybe it will look tough the more you do practice. So we can stop the session right now. अभी यहीं पे हम इसको stop करते हैं. Clear?
yes sir,
क्या करना है? You have to write down entire things and you repeat the things again and again and send it back to me. Clear, team?
Okay, sir.
Jyoti, is it clear to you? Because
Yes.
obviously we'll work for 50-60 words daily. Acha, if you learn 60-70 words of your B1 and B2 and your A1, A2 also, which really help you out in terms of speaking. So it means in 7 days, you would have something like 400 vocabularies in your hand. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
yes sir,
Yes, sir.
400 vocab will give you a very good touch in your language. Clear?
yes
Because we
sir,
are doing theaters also, we'll jump on the writing pattern also. So we'll mélange. Mélanger, we have up to mix. Répétez après mélanger.
Mélanger.
mélanger,
To mix. Mélanger.
Mélanger to mix.
Répétez après moi mélanger. I understand, team. Sometimes it may be hard because agripe you learn, maybe you forget in 5 minutes, but pen down entire things and send it back to me your voice recording. Empoigner, repeat after me.
Empoigner.
Empoigner.
Agripe,
Agrippe.
saisir,
Saisir.
Saisir.
rafler,
Rafle.
mettre la main,
Mettre la main.
saisir, agripe, empoigner. Répétez après moi. Saisir, agripe.
Agrippe. Empoigner.
Empoigner. Rafler.
Is it clear to you, team?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Meanwhile, team, you can do practice. Okay. And team, as you know, because we have a Diwali festival on 4th of October. Sorry,
Yes.
November. So today I'm going to my hometown. Okay. So
Okay.
I'll be back on 6th of November. So for tomorrow, you have to come only for tomorrow. You have to come on 8:30 p.m. batch. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow we don't have 10 o'clock timing. So tomorrow I will send you the link because I will be in my hometown. Okay. So tomorrow I will send you link at 8:30 p.m. batch. So 8
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
night, I will send you a link and we can start the class. Okay.
Okay,
Only for
sir.
tomorrow. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. And day after tomorrow?
Then we have off for
Okay.
day after tomorrow. For Diwali and Diwali next day also we have off. Okay.
On 3rd, 4th, and 5th, we have off.
3rd, 4th, and 5th we have off. Exactly.
And on
Clear?
6th, it's Saturday.
And then we can meet on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So meanwhile, on the weekend also, I will send you some. I will share some. The videos where you can do practice. And Jyoti, the same you did it. Abhi, you did it. Like you send it your project, your task. The same you can do it on the weekend also. And gradually, I will share all the videos. So
Sir,
you want
posters भी send कर देना.
which one?
Posters जो workshop आपने भेजी थी.
Postures workshop. Have you
जिसमें
done some?
questions. सर जिसमें questions वो
वो तो भी
करने
करेंगे।
थे.
ज्योति आप सर्वे सेशन होंगे ना सारे
ठीक है.
क्लियर क्योंकि आई हैव टू सी कि वो कहाँ पे रखे हैं वो यूट्यूब पे होंगे कहीं ना कहीं रखे होंगे यू कैन सर्च राइट अदरवाइज हम यहाँ पे वो चीजें करेंगे क्लियर
Okay, sir.
ओके सो यू नीड द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ टुडे सेशन टीम
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके चलो आई विल शेयर द रिकॉर्डिंग ठीक है ओके
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Merci.
merci au revoir à bientôt et bonjour
8:30 p.m.
tomorrow yes
Okay, sir.
all right